west central Dunn County, southeastern St. Croix County, until 7:30 p.m. At 7 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Martel, or 11 miles east of River Falls, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Baldwin and Woodville around 7:10 p.m. Knapp around 7:20 p.m. Glenwood City and Boyceville around 7:25 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Downing, Hersey, El Paso, Emerald, Wilson, Forest, and Martel. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is weather radio station WXJ88, serving west central Wisconsin.